Welcome to our latest listing in Haymarket in Northern Virginia. This home is situated on 10 pristine acres of land, and we're going to show it to you.
The house is full of amenities, and one of the things that comes with the house is this Rhino for you to ride your own 10 private acres. With that said, let's kick off the tour.
Look at this backyard. You have a full grill kitchen with a fridge, and it's all beautifully done. This was a $250,000 upgrade. There's a hot tub on Trex decks over there, and you can also have a nice suntan in a designated area. This land is perfect because you've got 10 acres right behind here ready for you to explore.
And I'm sitting here looking in front of the fire pit where you can enjoy story times with your family, s'mores, and we have an amazing view of the 10-acre lot right in front of me. So this is an amazing place for family gatherings.
So now that you've seen this lovely backyard, we're gonna head inside, but first,
cheers! Primary suite. This is the sitting area with a fireplace and a TV space.
And welcome to your bedroom, where you have an oversized bed, vaulted ceilings, an ensuite with a soaker tub that overlooks the backyard. You wouldn't even know this bedroom is up here. It's on the 4th floor. You can't even see it from the front. This room could be used for au pair, for guests, or if you have older kids that need their own private space. It does have an ensuite.
In the lower level is the entertainer's dream. You have a full movie theater with a fireplace, a full bar, and also your 6th bedroom and a full bathroom.